Hello Click Designers! So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the easy and fast way to add QR codes onto your designs on ClickDesigns. So to start off, after you've logged in and are on your dashboard, look for a design or a template that you want to add a QR code on. So you can either browse through the template section and look for one that you'd like to edit, or you can go on My Designs and choose something that you've already made. So I'm going to do the latter, so I'm going to click on My Designs. And after clicking on My Designs, I'm going to look through all of my designs and I'm going to click on one that I want to add a QR code on. So once you do that, find that design, hover over it, and click on Edit. Now, once you click on Edit, this is going to open up your ClickDesigns editor, and here is where you can add QR codes. So here on the side of the editor, we have different categories here. So all you have to do is scroll down until you find a category labeled QR code, which is right here. So just click on that. Once you click on QR code, it is going to ask you to enter a URL, and it will generate a QR code for you. So I have my URL here and I already pasted it, so I'm going to be using the URL of ClickDesigns. And after you have your URL pasted, all you have to do is just simply hit generate. Now, once you click on generate, it is going to simply generate a QR code for you. So you can edit this as an image and you can place it or resize it wherever you want on your design. So I want to put this QR code over here on this bottom corner. So I'm just going to make that smaller and I'm just going to add that here on the side. So there it is. That is my QR code. So you can simply test this QR code yourself using your camera on your phone or wherever and test that this QR code is going to redirect you to the URL that you added. So once you're done with that, you can simply click on preview, and that is going to show you how it looks like with the QR code. All right, so when you're happy with that, simply click on save and exit and save. And once you click on save, it is going to show you your saved design with the QR code as seen here. So that is it. That is how you add QR codes to your designs on ClickDesigns. Thank you, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.